In this tutorial, I'll show you how to customize Notion for a more aesthetic and personalized workspace. Using a free template is the easiest way to create a beautiful setup without starting from scratch. Let's get started. Open your Notion workspace and click Templates in the left sidebar. This opens Notion's template gallery where you can browse professionally designed layouts. Use the search bar to look for a template that matches the style you want, such as a planner, dashboard, journal, or another aesthetic design. Browse the previews and choose one you like. Click Get Template or Duplicate to add the template to your workspace. Once it's added, open it and start customizing it with your own content. Change the page icon and cover image to match your style. Update the colors, add emojis, insert images or widgets if needed, and replace the sample text with your own goals, notes, or daily plans. You can also rearrange sections, create new pages, add databases, and organize everything in a way that works best for your workflow. Notion is fully customizable, so you can continue refining your workspace whenever you want. That's how to customize Notion for aesthetics. Thanks for watching.